मेरी तो हाउस हेल्प के साथ हुआ था। और हमने उसकी हेल्प की थी। इनफैक्ट शी वाज इन लव विद समवन एल्स आल्सो एंड आई सेड इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, डू नॉट फील गिल्टी अबाउट इट। You can have an affair, it's all right. If you don't want to be in a marriage, get out of it. So then she said, I'm just waiting for my daughter to finish her exams and, a board. And once she comes in college, I'll be able to say and get out. But I helped her mentally that it's all right to, you know, stay out of a marriage, get out of a marriage which is giving you trouble. One second, हाँ, मेरा phone आ रहा था. Yeah, which is giving you trouble, and it is all. She is financially stable, and her husband is to beat her and physically abuse her, use her, and whenever he wanted to have sex, he will. So it was a very torturous. It is a very torturous marriage that she is in. But I try to help her. I say, you don't need anyone. You are financially strong, and he's in fact dependent on you. So she said, my kids and all are there, and this is, I'm talking about an uneducated society. I mean, she's still slightly educated, but I helped her saying that I'm there always, and I'll help you out with whatever you want, and you should fight it out and go legal. But a lot of them are not able to do that because they don't want to. Maybe they start accepting that whatever is happening, we will one day get out of it. Let the children grow, or let the children not know. All this happens. But हमारे आसपास बहुत होता है. In fact, Karan has also experienced when I heard him saying in one of the interviews.
Yes, I have.
Karan, you were saying, yeah.
Especially from the age I am, I think काफी सारे cases थे. And as a child, you would really get scared. You wouldn't know how to react. You can't even help that person. But now, if I get to hear something, I'm there. And मतलब बड़े होके तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है. But we've always had a third person come in to solve things and not get out of hand. Because altercations between a man and a woman is pretty common. But getting into the physical part and disturbing your peace for it, it's not worth it. तो लड़कियों को तो बड़ी clearly बोलूँगा, they stop because they don't want to stick their neck out. So ऐसा नहीं है. I think we should stand up at the first instance only. पहली बार में ही रोक दो. Don't think that there's going to be a second time, or it won't be a second time, because once an abuser, always an abuser. So please stand up for your parents.
मैं तुझे अब रोक दूंगी finally, Karan.
पक्का?
Yeah.
रुकने वालों में से नहीं हूँ. हाँ, अभय बोल यार.
He is so believable. Abhay is so believable when he acts. Oh my God, you actually feel that this is what he's doing it. So it makes the other person's acting also feel real. वो सच में ऐसे करता है कि लगता है.
Like after a cut, she takes about 5-7 minutes to come back. Yeah. And like the DOP and the director have to come to her. You're all right. ऐसा मतलब she makes me feel guilty after every shot.
Shut up! He's lying.
Kunal and Diljot, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
She cries on cue, without whistling. I mean, she's this much away from taking it back. Cut. Goes back. Okay, next.
He always jokes. He always jokes around.
Okay, jokes apart. Simple. How's dad now? I hope he's recuperating well.
He's still in the surgery. He's being operated. He's in the operation theater. So we don't know. We still have some time for him to come out.
So I have no idea. We'll pray hard for him. And Neelam ji, आपके सबके audience को भी बोल रहा. She's going.
सारे लोग, जितने लोग सिंपल को प्यार करते हैं, आई थिंक वो सभी कर रहे होंगे. एंड कुणाल, दिलजोत, आप बहुत ध्यान से सुन रहे हैं. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? ये जो करंट ट्रैक चल रहा है, और स्पेशली हमने एज अ ऑडियंस इस शो में इस तरह की किसी भी चीज की एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, क्योंकि एक दूसरे टेंजेंट का शो है. जब ये आपको आया तो कुछ अलग ऐसा फील हुआ आपको?
Definitely, I think I'm proud to be part of a project that talks about these issues. That talks about domestic abuse. It talks about breaking gender stereotypes. So in those respects, I think it's a fantastic show. We're talking about social issues, and if I have to give an example, again, similar thing happened with my house a while back, and for her, she was not ready to accept the situation at that point of time, and she chose to remain in that situation. Or ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं who don't see a way out. And it's very difficult to even convince them that, when the victim decides it's over, the enemy doesn't stand a chance. But yeah, I think acceptance of the situation is probably the first step, which we couldn't really actually make her convinced at that point of time. But abhi to, I mean, she's
Diljot?
Yeah, मैंने इनफैक्ट बहुत सारी औरतों को आपस में बात करते हुए सुना हुआ है. See, I don't want to take any names. I don't want to get into because I have seen this. In fact, औरतें समझा रही होती हैं कि it happens, कोई बात नहीं, हो गया, चलो जाने दो, अगली बार नहीं होगा शायद, So I think वहाँ पर भी एक discrepancy है. As a woman, you should put your foot down for the woman at least and tell her कि ये हो गया and that's it. This is the end of everything. And of course people can be apologetic and stuff like that, and people can change, but this should be on high priority because it's not only just an Indian problem now. Because of the pandemic, it's become a global issue, and people staying together in the houses stuck. We've heard from Brazil to Argentina to so many other places that these domestic violence cases have gone really over the roof. So at least as a woman, you should be able to support the other person like Simple did. कि भाई हाँ, she can also say कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, continue. It's a house help after all. How much can you support? But she was kind enough and brave enough to tell her that. So that's one thing that I want
to
point out.
Because mentally also they should feel that they don't know about the right only. They don't know about the right. So mentally they should feel that they're doing. Why should you feel guilty to live the life how you want to live? And why should you get pressurized in a power game?
And as I said in the earlier interview, it's not only the lower class or the lower middle class or even in the higher class. I've seen somebody come in a party wearing shades just because she's been hit on her eye. So these things are pretty common even at the high end of society. But women take it. They think they don't want to let go of a lot of other things just because of this small thing. They consider it pretty small. So I think kudos to the channel also to take up this social cause, Sony sab, and make awareness out of it. बहुत बड़ी चीज है ये. एक चैनल के लिए भी एक तरह का रिस्क होता है कि एक it's a very touchy topic.
हाँ, उठाने से बचते हैं normally जो चैनल होते हैं.
हाँ, कई बार जिन घरों में हो रहा होगा वो नहीं देखना चाहेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, but I hope इससे कुछ सीखें और कुछ अच्छा निकल के आए.
Yeah. So Diljot,
I think I was just agreeing with what Karan just said, that it's not just limited to the maybe the lower class, because I had a neighbor back in Indore, and I agree with Kunal that the sense of realization in the first place is very, very important, because and also parents, they play a very, very big role in terms of like young girls, how they've the way they see the atmosphere around them that they've brought up, because her mom used to come home, my neighbor, she used to get like burns everywhere, like on the body, like all those her husband was like that cruel that she used to get like big holes on her hand each other day. So her mom used to come home, and she was financially stable. She was actually pretty rich and educated. But then her mom used to be like, this is what it is. Like, this is what, I used to do, and this is how it's supposed to be. The marriage changes will happen eventually. And I think you should stick and try to adjust, and maybe, he'll change for good sooner or later. But then obviously it didn't happen, and it's very important for the parents to for the upbringing, to talk about it to young girls, and
teach them about red flags.
Create that kind of an atmosphere that the girl knows there is a sense of realization when she wants to. Standing up is a different thing. That's maybe the second step or later on, but being aware of that feeling that, oh, this is wrong. And, that is very, very important from a very young age. Right?
Yeah, bilkul.
I think just to point out what Diljot also said, it's also begins from the upbringing, and it's not only for the girls. I think the boys. अभी कई ads भी देख चुके हैं हम. It's not about that boys don't cry. They don't make girls or anybody else cry.
That's what Seema ji wrote to in my yesterday's post when I spoke about domestic violence. She mentioned the same thing, our producer, that the boys should be in India should be raised well. I mean, not only in the country, the world should be raised well.
Correct, and they should. I think boys should cry. It's ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए, because most of the emotions, the kind of emotions they hold on, it comes out on the physical form. Then रो लेते हैं तो काफी light feel करते हैं लोग. So बचपन से शायद यही सिखाया जाता है, होते नहीं है, लड़के नहीं रोते. So that's I think now at least we are changing.